Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a powerful work that is too powerful. With once this video is over, that is this video is hardly going to last for 5 to 6 minutes maximum. This is too powerful that it will hardly take your 5 to 6 minutes to show the impacts. And this is too powerful spell that whosoever has tried this spell have always got the success. If you want that your partner should confess your true feelings, then you follow the instructions which are going to be there on your screen right now. And once you have done these instructions quietly and diligently, no one can stop your target person to come to you and confess his or her true love to you. So these are the instructions which are there on your screen right now. I hope everyone is able to see them properly. You need a piece of paper, a red marker, right? And on Sunday you need to practice this spell at 11 a.m. So what and how you are going to do it? It's very simple and very powerful and 100% effective. You will, one single piece of paper, you will be having a white piece of paper at 11 a.m. on Sunday with red marker on piece of white paper at 11 a.m. only on Sunday. With the help of red marker, you are going to write this spell which is there on your screen right now. Ahem, Vayam, and your target person's name over here, Kamani. Now with that red marker, you have to make sure that you write his or her name minimum 300 times. Maximum you can write as many as times you can, but minimum 300 times you need to write. You can use both the sides of the paper, that is this side and this side as well, right? Once you have done this, you are going to fold that paper 4 times, and the folding has to be like this. See carefully, like this. One fold, then there would be a complete press, second, third, and like this. Your piece of paper will become small like this. Now once you have done this, without opening this piece of paper, you are going to go to her house or his house, on whomever you want to practice this spell, at the backyard or at the front yard. Secretively you are going to burn that paper. Once you have burnt this paper, right now at that moment of time, he or she will confess her true feelings to you. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask us by giving a call on the number or by dropping a WhatsApp on the number which is there on your screen, or you can drop a WhatsApp message as well. Or if you do not want to contact, you can drop a comment in the comment box. We always love to answer our comments. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I would request everyone that do not try this spell on any bad person, on any person who is involved in illegal or bad activities. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.